Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we discuss about the title DietCam Multiview Food Recognition using a multi-kernel SVM. Now we discuss the abstract for the process. Food recognition is a key component in evaluation of everybody food intakes. That is, the challenge is due to the intra-class verification. In this paper, we present an automatic food classification method using DietCam, which specifically addresses the variation of food appearance. DietCam consists of two major components, that is, an ingredient detection and the food classification. Food ingredients are detected through the combination of deformable pot based model and a texture verification module. From the detected ingredients, food categories are classified using Multiview multi-kernel support vector machine. In this experiment, the DietCam presents the reliability and the outperformance in recognition of food with complexity integrants of database include the several images and the several food types. Now we discuss the flow diagram for the process. At first, the first module is the image acquisition. Image acquisition is nothing but the taking the input image from the datasets. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several input images. After getting the input image from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. In the pre-processing, the noise removal is carried using the Gaussian filtered method. After applying the Gaussian filter to the image, the segmentation is carried out. Segmentation is the process of removing the unwanted background and extracting the region of interest from the image. For the segmentation process, here we use the k-means clustering method for the region of selection. After selecting the region of interest, the feature extraction is carried out. In the feature extraction module, the selecting the several features using the shift method. Along with the shift feature, the multi-view features are also extracted from the images. Then the classification is carried out. The classification is the process of classifying the input food is eligible or not. For the classification, here we use the multi-kernel SVM, that is, the SVM means support vector machine. After the classification process, the performance evaluation is done. In this performance evaluation, we have to consider the two major performance modules. The first one is the precision of the process and the second one is recall of the process. In auxiliary to that, the accuracy are also calculated by this method. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2013. In that you can see the current directory in the left side. In that you can see the main.m file. Right click in that file and click the third option, that is run. Now the initial guide window was opened. In that you can see the several push buttons in the left side and the several axes as well as the table in the right sides. Now click the input image. After clicking the button input image, the databases is loaded and the several input images are shown. Now select any one image from the dataset and click the button open. Now the selected image is shown in the axis 1 with the title input image 1. Now click the button pre-processing. After clicking the button pre-processing, the pre-processing is applied by using the Gaussian filter. The Gaussian filter in the range of 3 x 3 and in the level of 0.5. Then the segmentation is carried out. After clicking the button segmentation, the segmentation is carried by using the clustering method. Now the 4 clusters are segmented from the single image. Now the cluster 1 is shown, then the cluster 2, then cluster 3, then cluster 4. Then click the button feature extraction. After clicking the button feature extraction, the feature is extracted from the input image. Now the 4 type of clusters are occurred, so the each and every cluster images is undergone for the feature extraction module. After getting the feature values from the 4 cluster image, those features are saved as a test feature. Then click the button classification. After clicking the button classification, the classification result is shown in the right side. Now the classification result is the affected food. Then click the button performance measures. After clicking the button performance measures, the performance values are shown. Now the precision is 98.73 and the recall value is 88.53. These are shown in the right side.